Hey, this is David, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the sensor dry control board on an electric Whirlpool dryer. You might need to change out this part if it failed testing or it's been damaged. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. While you're getting those together, remember to keep safety first. Always unplug that power cord before you do any work on your appliances. First, you're going to use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws at the back of the console. Then you could push the console forward and then up. Next, we're going to find the control board, which is really small. We need to remove it from the plug. Then install the new control. It's that easy. Just close up the console and reinstall the 2 screws. You're done. And don't forget to plug your dryer back in. You made it. Great job. Thanks for joining us today. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. And if you haven't gotten a replacement sensor control yet, grab your model number, head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to order one. Orders usually arrive in just a few days. And while you're at it, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. We've got lots more troubleshooting and repair videos, and of course, all the parts you need to do it yourself at AppliancePartsPros.com. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you next time.